Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand. Hey everyone, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I am super excited. I am out here in western North Dakota with one of the Vermeer Self Propelled Round Balers. When I get done at this farm, I'm going to another farm, so I'm going to get two of these in one day. This should make some awesome videos. I'm out here in a hayfield just about 12 miles north of New Salem, North Dakota. There's a lot going on in this video. This farm is out here round baling hay. They got two different machines running. First up, they got their Vermeer ZR5 1200 self-propelled round baler running here. Also in the video, you'll see them running their John Deere 6170R tractor pulling another Vermeer baler. That is a model 605N. Both these balers are making a bale that is approximately 5 foot wide and up to 6 foot tall. The Vermeer ZR5 1200 self-propelled round baler is built by Vermeer out of Pella, Iowa. Now this machine's been on the market for a few years now. I've been seeing them at farm shows, but this is the first time I've actually been able to get out in the field with one. This machine was sold by West River Equipment out of Mandan, North Dakota, who is a Deutz Fahr dealer I call on. They've actually sold 12 of these so far, so these things are gaining a lot of popularity in the area. A lot of it is their speed of baling. In fact, some of the farmers that have bought these are saying they can do twice as many bales per hour with the self-propelled over a pull-type baler behind the tractor. In this video, I got several drone shots, on the ground shots of both these machines running here in the field. But first up, let's talk about the Vermeer ZR5 1200 self-propelled round baler. These machines have a travel speed of up to 30 miles per hour. They can bale up to 12 miles per hour. Of course, this is a zero-turn baler. They're set up pretty nice. I did get to ride in one. And the nice thing about these things, there's a lot of things you can do here, but everything is automatic on them. The operator can go through the field. He can make his bale. As soon as that bale hits the maximum size, the baler will automatically stop. It'll wrap the bale. If you want to, the baler will actually make a quarter turn, eject the bale, close the tailgate, and then you hit a button and you take right back off where you left off. The ZR5 baler also has a couple cameras on it with a screen inside, so when the operator is baling, he can see the pickup because the pickup is actually underneath him. And then when he goes to eject the bale, the camera will flip around, show the tailgate so you can see the tailgate open and see your bale eject, your tailgate close. And then once you hit the button to take off again, it goes right back to the pickup. Another nice feature on the ZR5 is if you did have to do some maintenance on the baler itself, it can easily be detached from the tractor part or the self-propelled portion of the machine. These ZR5 balers are powered with a Cummins Stage 5 diesel motor that is 4.5 liters in size. These machines are rated at around 200 horsepower. This machine weighs in around 19,500 pounds. And again, the bale width on these is 61 inches, and they can make a bale anywhere from 36 inches in diameter up to 72 inches, so 6 foot. Basically a 5 foot by 6 foot round baler. And making a bale up to 2,400 pounds in weight. The day I was out here, I posted a picture of this ZR5 baler on my Instagram. It went to my Facebook page. On my Facebook page, the picture of this had almost 4 million engagements, 9,100 likes, 817 comments, 850 shares. But I'm just going to talk about those comments because it seems like the comment section the last 6 months has just been going crazy. And some of the comments people make are just hard to understand. Now, I do get that this baler right here is not for everybody, but I just still do not understand how people can look at a picture on the internet and then just decide what is right, knowing nothing about the farm it's on, knowing nothing about the climate, the area, anything like that, and make the comments they do. If the farmer here says he can make twice as many bales per hour as his pull-type baler, I'm going to tend to believe the guy that's actually running it versus a guy just commenting on the internet. Also, while I was out here waiting for the hay to dry, there was a little old farmstead not too far from here, and there was a couple red foxes playing around. So at the end of this video, I actually have some wildlife footage of 2 red foxes out playing in an old farmyard. that's going to do it for this video. If you did like this video, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to comment below. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it if you'd go down there and hit subscribe. And check back often. There's always lots of new and exciting content coming to my YouTube channel, including another video will be coming shortly of another baler like this at another farm in the southern part of North Dakota. And if you want to see more of what I'm doing, you can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching and supporting my social media.